I submit a CL. How do you give me some feedback already?
At this time?
At this time. And then I made some changes. I need to get C++ readability.
Why?
Because I think our team only have one person has a C++ readability, and every time you have to get that person to approve.
You can just outsource it.
Yes, that's true. But if I can get it, but like, how do you get it? You have to submit. You have to participate in the program. It's not easy.
Yeah, they have to submit a bunch of CLs.
Yeah. Well. Anyway, hello everyone. It's October 16th. Let's see what we have today. Yesterday was bad. Yesterday was pretty bad, and hopefully today we have a better performance. Maximum swap. You are given an integer num. You can swap 2 digits at most once to get the maximum value number. Return the maximum value number you can get. So you can swap 2 digits at most once. So you get 2 digits and you swap them once. I do not understand. Well, isn't this just to find the maximum digits? If there is a 9, you swap it to the front. Okay, so you, but okay, the question, what if you have multiple 9s? Well, you get their positions, right? You get their positions. So, okay, and also, what if you have a bunch of 9 in the beginning already? Good point. These are all good points. Okay, these are all good points. So if we scan from right, left to right, and it can be 8 digits, which is not that bad, right? We scan from left to right, and as we go through it, we if it's going down, right? If it's going down, then there's nothing. But whenever we have some digits, not good. Whenever we have some digit that is small, right? So you go down, 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 and then we have another big one, right? We'll have another big one, so that one can be a potential candidate. And then we have another big one, and every time we have a big one, we'll pop, and eventually we'll have something that's big, and then we get pop everything, right? So that one should be at the front. That one should be at the front. So at the end, we will have, so I'm thinking about a monotonic array, right? So at the end, we'll have something that, should be swapped, okay? And then we can have multiple that can be swapped, right, to the front. So we have the maximum kind of line up at the monotonic array, because it's a monotonic decreasing array, right? Monotonic decreasing array. So for the monotonic decreasing array, we start from the front, and then we just check it for the first one, right? That's not in the order, So that one can be, so the question is, if you get a monotonic array, right? And then you got a bunch of 9s, So this is a position 1, position 0, 1, and then you have a 4, and then you have a 5, and you have an 8, okay? So you got these positions with 9s. Now which one do you use to do the swap? Because eventually this one will get swapped to the front. And then the number can be like 9, 9, I don't know, 5, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We have a 9. and we have a 5, and 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, like this. So we know the one need to be swapped is number 2. This one needs to be swapped. But you have multiple 9s to choose from. So which one do you choose? Well, you should always go with the last one, right? Because if you do the swap, you get 999, right? And then blah 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 5. You put a 5 here. Otherwise, you swap with this, you got 5 here. This one's bigger, right? This one's bigger. Yep. So whenever you swap, you always swap with the last one. Okay, so now the question is, we want to find the last one, and we can find the last one because, I mean, if we don't have this, okay, then we don't have this, then we have 2, right? This is what we have, and basically we'll put the index, right? We'll put index in here, so this index will be 7. So then what we will do, now which one do you know? Which one do you think is, because it's going down? Yeah, so we will go from here, right? So we kind of know the maximum value in this, and then we check the second one. If it's the same, yeah, if it's the so what we do is we have the order should be 0, 1, 2, 3. That's the order. And we use this order and this to check. If they're the same, we move on. If the same, we move on. And then we should be 2. Now we have a 4. Okay? So that is the value that we need to do. But then we skip, we jump out. So now we know the value. And then from this position, we need to keep going. Right? Keep going. Because I need the last one of these. Last one of these. Interesting. We do need the last one of these. Okay, then we know the value, then we just keep checking to see how far we can go. And eventually we'll find it. And then we'll know that, okay. Yeah, like if I have this, then the 7 will become the first, right? So let's say in this case, we have 2, I have 0, 1, 2, 3. If I do, I'll have 0, and 1 is bigger, so I pop, so it'll be 1, and then 2, and 3 will be bigger, so it'll be 3. So this will be the monotonic array, right? And then when I check from 0, the first one is wrong. So I know this is the one, right? This is the one. And we are going to swap with, who are you going to swap with? Well, if we have the same, that we don't swap with them. The first one that's not the same, right? The first one that's not the same. And the one that's not the same. Yes, the one that's not the same. So this is 2 is going to swap. Here is going to be 0. To swap is 0. And then the 1 I check is 7. So I keep going to find if I have more. Now we don't see more. So we're going to swap with 1. So it'll be 0 position with 1 position. We're going to swap. And then we'll return the number. We'll return the number. Okay, so we have an idea, and let's give it a shot. Alright, so what we do, first we need to turn this into a char array. Yeah. Num array shall equal to string the value of num to char array, right? So we turn this into a char array, and then we are going to have a monotonic, so we need a list of integer mon stack. Right. Oh, yeah, what's that? For int I 0I smaller than num array length I plus plus. Okay. If while monster dot is empty, if it's not empty, and monster dot keep num array is smaller than num array I, right? Then we say mon_stack.pop. Right? If it's small, pop up until we have the same, and then we say mon_stack.add I. Alright. So once we're done, now we say for int perform fill the monotonic decreasing step, and then check for the indices to swap. Int the left index, right? Int right index. So I0 I smaller than I smaller than mon stack dot. No, we have to go, and then we'll check. Left index. Okay, int mon index. While mon index is smaller than mon stack dot size, if left index and left index is smaller than num array dot length, and left index is equal to mon stack dot get mon index, right? If these are true, then left index plus plus mon index plus plus. Right. But that will happen that it jump out. Then we have the left index, right? So then we'll try to find the right index. Okay. So we have the left index. Now to find the right index, I know the current, the maximum, right? And then we just say while this actually can be a right index. right? We can say while right index plus 1 is smaller than mon_stack dot size, and mon_stack dot get right index plus 1 is equal to mon_stack dot get right index. Then we say right index plus plus, right? So we move if the next one is the same, and then we move. If it's the same, we move. If it's not the same, then we jump out. Then we have the left and right. Then what we're gonna do is we'll swap it. So we have a temp. Let's write a function called swap. Private void swap int. Actually, it's not int. Ooh, can we do that? Ooh, can we say like a t? Man, you want to do a generic? I have no idea how to do that. I have no idea how to do that. I don't know. Can we do it? Like, can we just say like a t array and an int I int j? Can we do that? Can we say t temp goes to array I and array j? No, I equal to array j, and array j is equal to t. No, equal to temp. Alright, I can't. Oh, this is actually an interesting question. Java function with generic type. Yes. How do I do that? Oh, I see. So I need to put this one, I believe, here. There we go. This is a J. Yeah, this is a generic. This is a generic swap, right? And then I can say swap num array, and then left index, right index, and then we'll return string dot value of num array dot no. I believe we need to say integer dot parse int method is not applicable. Wait, why? Okay, I actually don't know. It was the first time I'm trying to do something like this. It's the type solutions are not applicable for arguments. Why? Okay, how do you use? Oh, maybe. Wait, hold a second. Usage symbol string. Pushback. String. Are you telling me it cannot be generic? It cannot be primitive? Wait, hold a second. This is a character array. Can I say, I don't know, I'm just character like this? Type mismatch. Oh, okay. This is a little bit, I think it's beyond my pay grade. It is beyond my pay grade. Alright, so let's not do this. I have no idea how to do it. Maybe in the future we will know. Alright, let's give this a shot. Yeah, they got to be a way. Either because it's just generic, it's not generic, because it has to be boxed version, right? We cannot do primitive because char is primitive. That might be the reason, but ooh, that is bad. 4. Huh. Out of. Oh yeah, because if it's +1 is smaller. Okay, hold on. Let me think it through. Which part is wrong? I think the first one probably is correct. I think this one probably is correct. It's not. Okay, I'll have some issues. It's okay. Let's print left index string dot format. All right. We do left index equal to %d, right index equal to %d, and then we do a left index and a right index. All right, let's see if we get the left and the right index correct. Both give me 0. That is not good. That is not good. Left index is 0 because. Okay, we need to also print system.out.println. Is that collections dot toString? I don't know. I'm guessing on this part. Maybe that's the one. And nope. I don't know how to print a stack. Print stack values. Oh, really? Okay, we can try this. Array.toString stack.toArray. Can I do that? Okay, arrays.toString, this one .toArray. Maybe because it's integer. Good. 1, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. That is correct. Okay, this is correct. And right index is small. Yeah, we go, and then left index is not equal to mon stack get right index, so we jump out. So left index is 0. That's correct. Now right index. Oh, I think I know why. Right index. Okay, left index is actual left index, and this is not right index. This is mon index. Okay, well, this is wrong. Oh. Because we have like kind of two levels of index we're talking about here. So it's not a right index. It's damn. I have to. All right. So yeah, this is not right index. Let's get right index out. So this is mon index. Right, mon index, mon index, mon index. Right. So we have the monotonic index, and we are using monotonic index. So yeah, this is monotonic index. Yes, yes, yes. But we need to do a right index. Right index shall be right index shall be mon stack dot get mon index. Okay, let's try this. yeah, kind of mix match the two, which caused the error. There we go. This one's correct. Let's do both. I'm not sure about the 0 case. Okay, so we have issue with this one. Let's deal with this. So basically, in this case, mon index will go out. Mon index will basically go out. Okay, so we need to decide when we even run, right? Yeah, so after this, left index, like if we have a swap, right? If a swap will happen, then we'll definitely have a left index and a right index, right? So we'll identify the left index, and the mon index can. So the problem now is the mon index gets out, right? Why the mon index gets out? Because we just want to keep going. The left index is smaller than, yeah, we just keep matching. So yes, when the mon index gets out, or when the left index gets out, actually, you can even say that. That means we do not do any swap. As long as there is a left index that we have a mismatch. If we have a mismatch here, that means there is a chance of swapping. So we should do it here. We can say if left index, if left index is equal to num array dot length, then we just return num, right? So this is the cases of no swap needed. Okay. All right, so this one shall be right, and let's put in 8. Damn it. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, let's put some zeros in it. Or maybe we do this. Okay. Alright, let's run these test cases. Num. Oh, wait, is it too big? Okay, maybe it's too big. Doesn't matter. We know what we want to test. And let's comment out these two. Alright, let's see. Ugh. That's not right. Let's see where the error get. Okay, so we have these two. Oh my god. The last 3 are all wrong. Damn. Okay, let's see the last one. Output. So given as this, output, I should put a 0. Huh? Yeah, this is not right. Now my idea is correct. It's just the implementation is. I have this one. What the hell? Because I did swap, right? And then I say mon index plus 1. So mon index is the first one that is mismatching. Huh. First one that's mismatching. Okay, so it should not be the first one that's mismatching, right? Because the one that you're mix match. Okay, let's try this. Uncomment these. Let's run it. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 got skipped, and 6, 7. It's perfect. So left is 5. Right index is 6. Right index should not be 6. Okay. So 5 with a mon index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So mon index is 5 because that's when we have a mismatch, right? So mon index is 5 and mon index plus 1 and mon index plus 1 is equal to mon index get this. So mon index should plus plus. I do not know why mon index does not plus plus. That is very interesting. Okay, let's take a look at the mon index after we run this. Why is it not moving forward? So mon index is 5, which is correct, right? Mon index is 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and mon index plus 1. Oh, I see. Okay, yep, that is a bug. Again, it's a mismatch causing this bug. Yes, .get. Yeah, these are not the same because we should say num array. Num array. There you go. That's when you move forward. Okay, okie dokie. This one shall be right. Well, it's not a difficult problem, but still took a long time to resolve. There you go. That's the one. Okay, let's delete these two and write something here. Well, at least we did better than yesterday. 670, right? The idea is to, not the idea. Well, it is. The idea is to find the first digit that is not in a natural non-increasing order and swap it with the largest, right? The largest, actually, is to find the first digit that is not the maximum, the max among all the digits, right? Digits. Oh, how do I even put it into words? Yes, it's monotonic decreasing, right? We do a monotonic decreasing. Yeah, we do a monotonic decreasing. Then we find the first one that is, yeah. Let me redo this. So the ideal is to find the max digit in them, the last occurrence of the max digit in num, and swap it with the first non-max digit, right? And we can do this, we can achieve this using monotonic decreasing stack, right? On the digits of num. Okay, then after the stack is created, the first index, right? The first index, we can go through, right? We can go through num and compare the digit with the stack. The first mismatching index in num is the num max, right? Digit to be swapped, and we just need to find the last occurrence of the max digit, do the swap, and we are done. Okay, I'll run it one more time, confirm that it is good, or submit it, and it will pass. Very good, we got this one right. Okay, we'll run through this really fast, and yeah, brute force is not gonna work. Greedy 2 pass, so you can do a greedy 2 pass, suboptimal greedy, space optimized greedy. Alright, so I probably need to read through this, but I don't really have time or any effort, so I'll leave this. Yeah, I want to read through how this one was done. It was greedy. I was not using greedy. I was using a monotonic stack. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we have enough time to go through all the reading material here. Adios.